Soon after Bill Giant Votes, ZionRoots. No.
Bless up, me Rasta family. Welcome back to ZionRoots. Today we deck at the jungle yard sorting fresh coconut. Make yourself comfortable, subscribe, and enjoy the music. One love.
Morning break with holy flame, Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance fi grow. Every seed Jah blessing sow. Babylon night can overcome. Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Children wake with hope anew. Sunlight guiding all them do. From the ghetto to the field, Zion sun the truth reveal. No chain strong enough to hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion son a holy king. It healed the wounded, dried the tear. Zion son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south, Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age, still shining bright. Zion sun, eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, rise forever in Jah name. Every morning, new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one. Nah. Jah bless the people, let the falls. Babylon system break, yeah man. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stand so tall. Jah love over all. Me tread the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in home a masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down pon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah create. Elders chant beneath the tree, say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain, me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From trial come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah and true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion, me climb high. Touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion, rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Mountain high, me spirit free. Zion dwell in me. No evil can stand the sound when Rasta come around. Me look on the sunset red. Give thanks for life me tread. Mountain of Zion, me own forever. Love bind we together.
Up early, dew on ground, barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan, like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile, but all them path is pure big guile. Me not fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth now ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in just stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet, but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth not come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pon style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
Ay, 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 son of Zion, ganja blaze, yeah, man. Me step out of me yard with a lion heart, chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me now walk alone, me trod with a light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see a youths with no hope, no plan, but me say hold firm, you a strong man. System Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Upon the hill so high, so tall, mountain of Zion, stand for all. No storm can shake, no fire can burn. To judge true mountain, me always turn. It called the soul, it lift the hand. Mountain strong for all the land. Every pilgrim walk the way. To Zion peak we kneel and pray. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure, stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. It rise above the cloud and rain. It wash away the fear and pain. It glow with fire, glow with light. Mountain blessed both day and night. It teach the tribe to stand up strong. It sing the Naya Bingi song. From root to peak, from base to crown. Mountain of Zion never down. It got the elder guide the youth. It speak the words of holy truth. It shine the sun, it cool the breeze. Mountain stand with Jah decrease. Every step me climb so high. Mountain lift me to the sky. No Babylon can pull me low. Mountain of Jah always show. Me sit up on the rocky place. See Jah glory, feel Jah grace. It chant the name for all to hear. Mountain whisper Jah is near. It call the humble, call the meek. Every soul the mountain seek. Strong foundation never fall. Mountain of Jah always show. When the trumpet sound again, mountain rise above all pain. Forever strong, forever true. Mountain bless me, bless you too. From morning sun to setting fire, mountain lift we ever higher. Holy Zion, holy ground. Mountain echo Jah true sound. Climb high, climb strong. Mountain of Zion, all life long. No chain, no wall can stop the climb. Mountain stand for all time. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure, stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. From earth below to heaven high, mountain of Zion never die. Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun pa me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call your name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again. Na 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 na. Rasta man grind the ganja, yeah, man. On the way, yeah. On the moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. nation, we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar, with every term. We not beg system, we build our lane. Plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah not bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold. Hey, 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 Bamba gold inna the bambus. Yeah, man. Early morning, sun arise, steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing. Meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase goal. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear just song. One draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot on sacred land. Feel the heartbeat of Jah. Me no need no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high, but keep me wise. It no a joke, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe all firm and clear. Each breath a step fi draw Jah near. Them nod and like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Bada bing, bada boom, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight. Me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call Jah name. Me see the world through herb filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where the Zion meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm, we rise again. The city fast, but I'm on slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trod with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games. But I and I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light full of protection. Meditation on sacred sound. Rasta wisdom all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders under mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round fi listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me not preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words a gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me grounded strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand. From sunrise to the moon above, me hold it steady. One spliff, one love, right away.
Oi, 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 Kingston skunk smoke, yeah, man.
Me wake up on me earth stranded. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pan roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where I'm real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in me, not from rage, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil. Me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We not need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold Jah
feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jaja throne. Me soul and the smoke alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth's done chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jaja wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. Oh, me say rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We are warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide me soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide me soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide me soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide me soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. heal the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side. Eternal current never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse my soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me. From mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide. Me see the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people see. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. River Zion never stray. Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing my righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim me flame. Me call Jah name. One step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the wrong. So one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through. Jah carry me through. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Hey. Me tune up the drum and bass, feel the place. Reggae rhythm fill the ear, love everywhere. Freedom sound for the youth to hear. Jah draw near. Hey. Me see them rise against the tide, still survive. Each beat me play bring life, cut through strife. Babylon walls start fi crack, no turning back. Sound of freedom set we free, eternally. Me chant for the ghetto child, keep them mild. Teach them strength in every note, lift the boat. No gun, no yet no chain, break the pain. Sound of freedom blaze the way to brighter day. Hey. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Me sing for the mother, the father too. Keep them true. Every cry turn melody, unity. Music heal, music mend, love transcend. Freedom sound no fade, it's a holy parade. Me drop me verse like fire rain, burn out pain. Every soul start this way, night to day. Sound of freedom never cease, bring we peace. The rhythm march through time, so divine. When Babylon try silence we, them can't see. Music born from struggle deep, no sleep. Freedom song keep heart alive, make we thrive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Sound of freedom, let it roll, heal the soul. Oh, oh, righteous vibration, holy tune under the moon. Whoa, whoa. So when the night feel long and low, let the rhythm flow. Whoa, whoa. Sound of freedom never end. It's Jah we defend.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion. Raga, yeah, man.
Nah, 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 Zion Raga. Nah, 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 Zion Raga. From the hills me hear a call, echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. River sing on mountainside, bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy, Zion whispered destiny. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with a trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Me walk the path where ancients trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon here. Zion voice in heart so strong, guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth, pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people whole. Elders say it's more than song, it's the road we trod along. Echo ring in morning mist, every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low, through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace, till the Babylon system cease. Zion word not fade away, still a guide we to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep, harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along. Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with it trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with it trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Na na na, Zion Dana. Jaja presence everywhere.
Ay, ay, ay. Sweet ka chakalaka ya man. Kalaya guy.
Early in the morning, me rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibe so right. Me walk barefoot pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This is the Irie way, the only road through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This is the Irie way, me soul rejoice. Rasta in a eye heart, in a eye voice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jaja always standing by.
me chalice, fire in me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view under the moonlight. Me chant psalms, me soul protected, me life calm. Me sistren hum sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float on the rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right, chant this song. So me do that still, each word me write. A torch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, I'm more than sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion neck pose, the truth will play and show you the Irie way. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Reggae, man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. silence, me hear the sound.